Lawrence Bossidy once said, "Nothing we do is more important than hiring and developing people. At the end of the day, you bet on people, not on strategies." And Steve Wynn tells us, "Human resource isn't a thing we do, it's the thing that runs our business." People are without a doubt the most important resource in any business. The success of your organisation hinges on the folks who come in every day and put in the work. So it stands to reason that your human resources department is arguably the most important department in your company. Think about it. Your HR managers and team are trusted with the care of the organisation's most precious asset, from the start to finish, from the initial recruiting, vetting and hiring, to the onboarding, to training and developing, all the way through until the moment an employee leaves the business. Surely, with so much resting on the shoulders of one department, it's crucial that your HR game needs to be absolutely top-notch. In this training, we're going to show you how to do exactly that.